हेलो हेलो हेलो, क्या हाल चाल, नमस्कार, सत श्री अकाल। आज हम फाइनल डे में हैं ब्रो।
क्लास डे
एशियन वेट लिफ्टिंग चैम्पियनशिप गुजरात। તમે એનર્જી में हुआ है
full energy down.
बिकॉज अरे इट इज़ माई फेवरेट इवेंट यू नो।
Yeah.
प्लस 86 प्लस 110 और मेंस 110 भी है, अंडर 110 वेट कैटेगरीज। बट आई रियली लव दीज इवेंट्स यू नो वाई, क्योंकि इसमें मतलब ओपन कैटेगरी है। मतलब जो वेट लिफ्ट होते हैं ना, आप देखोगे वहाँ पे रेड 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 ऐसे 4-5 प्लेटें एक साथ ही लगी होती है। सो इट काइंड ऑफ इंट्रीग्स मी अलॉट एंड आई एब्सोल्युटली लव दिस कैटेगरी ऑफ वेट लिफ्टिंग। आपको पता है आज हमारी इंडिया की तरफ से कौन कौन लिफ्ट कर रहे हैं?
Martina Devi, I'm really looking forward to see her. 20-year-old.
हाँ
Yeah. That is primarily what I am looking forward to.
राइट
this.
राइट। और आज लवप्रीत सिंह भी रहेंगे। ही इज़ ऑल्सो कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स मेडलिस्ट। सो
Silver medalist.
या सो आई मीन so yeah, so these are two events to be looked out for. That is men's plus 110, women's plus 86, and then men's 110 is also there, जिसमें हर्षवर्धन सिंह थे इंडिया के, जो उनने बी सेक्शन में कल फिनिश किया था. So yeah, that result was posted in the like written in the other vlog. So the vlog that is just released, so you can go and watch it. All the other vlogs are there on the channel, so go and watch that and let us know कैसा लग रहा है आपको. We'll see you inside the hall. Okay. Martina Devi on the stage for her first attempt at 107 kgs in the women's plus 86 kg category. Oh no, she didn't have that one. Now coming back for the second attempt, Martina. The first attempt was a little lethargic to say the least. 107, her PB I think is 109. So this is okay. Felt a little heavy. Is it a good lift or no? Let's see. It is not a good lift. Now Martina is back for her third and final attempt at 107. Two no lifts rather. This way. Cliff is of Qatar. Going for 130, and that is a power lift. Park Hee-jong for a third and final at 131. This will take her to silver medal position, the reigning Olympic silver medalist from Paris. Lot of contemplation, but it is a good lift. That is what champions are made of. Leanne to secure gold and snatch for this. 135 kg lift is a successful one. Yeah. Leanne has already secured gold in snatch. Now going for 140 in her second attempt. And will she get up? She will. Easy as you take it. Leanne now attempting the world record in this category in snatch. Will she do it? Will she? Yes, she will. She will get up definitely. That is the world record for Leanne. China's superiority is still there in the heavyweight division after Lee Benion's retirement. Well done, Leanne. Bye. Bomb out हो गई.
Yeah.
Martina.
Pathetic.
107 man. I think it needs to be answered कि why his young lifters are bombing out like this. Why is he? मतलब I am all for the risk taking appetite, but Martina didn't have 107 today. She should have started with 105, right?
Yeah. But I think 107 भी हो जाना चाहिए था यार.
हाँ.
Like इतना she lifted in the second attempt.
हाँ, but there was a press out, a major press out.
So
But
yeah, I'm like, I don't understand why they arrive out of form for a major competition.
which is happening in India.
Yeah. So
Next year,
peaking when it matters. These guys needs to learn. Maybe support staff behind the scene needs to work on their,
The mental aspect of him, yeah. But Leanne got the world record, 145. Chinese doing again. As you said, gangsters are there. Again, but yeah, So that is mostly it from the snatch. And then now what do we have? The clean and jerk?
Yeah.
Let's see if Martina will be starting there or not. है कि नहीं? But yeah, अभी देखते हैं अंदर जाके. Now Martina Devi attempting 140 kgs in clean and jerk. Her second attempt, she had a good lift at 135. Easy. Adjust the bar. Gets the jerk. Stays put, and that's a good lift. Now Martina going for a personal best in clean and jerk. 144 kgs. Hope she has got this one. It would be still a disappointing outing for her because she bombed out in the snatch. It could have been a big personal best for her had she got her snatch act right. In the total, that is. And this one, no, didn't have this one. But yeah, unfortunately, no lift for her. Park Hee-jong going for 167. That's her second attempt in clean and jerk. The reigning world champion gets the clean right. No real issues there. And the clean, and has she got it? Yes, she has. That is a good lift. Easily Cliff going for 169. She had a 151 good lift, then 165 no lift. Now this is 169. This will take her into second spot ahead of Park. And is this a good lift? Let's see. Animated reaction from her. This should be a good lift. Park Hee-jong for 170 kg. This to ensure silver medal in clean and jerk and total. Oof, that was a tough one. No, unfortunate for her. Now Leanne going for clean and jerk gold as well. She already has snatch gold and total gold. Again, a tough clean, but she easily makes amends in the jerk. Let's see if she has got this one. Yes, she has. Yes, she has. It is a good lift. So Leanne now going for 178. This will take her total to 623, right? 323, yeah, 323. Oh my god. Yeah. Look at the number of red plates on that. 6 red plates. Okay. She should have gone for the world record actually. She should have done it because this is a good lift. Well done, Leanne. Very well done. 323 on the total. Hi Akash. Ni hao Akash. And he's also a huge fan. This is Lee Hyun-wha, the Olympic champion from 2024, attempting 186 in snatch. It is a good lift. Well done, Lee Hyun-wha. Men's 110, Chen Po Chen of Chinese Taipei. Oh no, it's not a good lift. Flurry of no lifts here. Ali Reza Nasiri going for 188. He has had a missed first attempt. Oh no, it is not happening for any one of these guys now. Turkmenistani Drabanev. Will it be a good lift? He gets out. Well done. Ali Reza Nasiri going for 189. No, bombs out. Chen Po Chen for his last attempt. And this one is a good one. This one is a good one. It is 189. Lee Hyun-wha going for 190 kg and golden snatch in the men's 110 kg category. path placed at the spot he wants to be. He gets off. That is another golden snatch for China. Lee Hunhua, what a champion performance. So flurry of no lifts in men's 110, but Lee Hunhua was the only one, I think, in this group. In fact, the Kazakhstani also, Sultan, was the one who had all three good lifts. But yeah, Ali Reza Nasri, who is the reigning world silver medalist, bombed out. And yeah, gold for China in snatch, courtesy of Lee Hunhua. This is Chen Po Chen. He had a very bad miss the last time. It took him almost 3 to 4 minutes to get off the stage because he was so badly hurt. Now again going for 215. It was never meant to be, but a solid effort. This is Lee Hunhua going for 220 kgs, and that will give him overall gold in men's 110 kg category. He is the reigning Olympic and Asian Games champion. And he lifts it easily. China is on a different planet altogether. Liu Hunhua going for 230 now in the clean and jerk. Wow. Very solid clean. And he backs a punch in that one. Well done. Ali Reza Nasri, who had bombed out in snatch, is now attempting for 231 kg in clean and jerk. This will take him on the gold medal position in this division. And I think he has got it. Right. 231 is a good number. Now Liu Hunhua attempting world record in men's 110 kg, which is of Akbar Dushirev of Uzbekistan. So now very tough clean. That's the toughest of them all. Stand up, still. This is the world record. Liu Hunhua. Oh, it's a no lift. It's a no lift, unfortunately. Now Ali Reza Nasri. No. That was never meant to be.
Representing India, Lavpreet Singh.
Now Lavpreet Singh is in the house. The crowd is on its feet. Lavpreet again attempting 170 in the men's plus 105 kg category. Got it! The crowd is on its feet again. Well done, Lavpreet. Lavpreet now going for 174 in his second attempt in the men's plus 110 kg category. He gets it! Good left. Lavpreet now in for his third and final attempt in the men's 110 plus kg category snatch division, attempting a personal best here, 177. Has he got it? Oh no, it was close, but not to be. Ali Reza Yusufi, he's like a man mountain, and he's attempting 189 in the snatch. This is Gour Minasyan, formerly Armenian, now representing Bahrain, attempting 202 for snatch gold. Oh, look at him! He is a veteran in this category and he shows his prowess here. Minasyan has already secured gold from his first lift. Now it is just to extend his lead, 208 kgs on the bar. It will be easy for him. He is a pro at that. Again, well done. Gold. Now Minasyan going for 212 kg, not attempting any area or world record. So this should be a healthy lead going into the clean and jerk, and it will be a healthy lead going into the clean and jerk. 212 is a good lift. Lovepreet going for 205 kg in his first attempt of clean and jerk. Gets the clean all right. Adjust the bar. And should be a good lift. Should be a good lift. Let's see. Good lift again. There comes Lovepreet for 212 kg. This should be an overall and clean and jerk PB for him if he gets this one. Oh, tough clean. The crowd cheers him on. Adjusts the bar on his shoulders and gets it. Keep it up. Well done, Lovepreet. Well done. Brilliant lifting. Here comes Love for his third and final attempt in clean and jerk. 216 kgs on the bar. This take his total to 390, which will be a massive improvement on his PB. Let's go, Love. Keech! Shabash! बढ़िया. Oh, it was very heavy on the clean itself. So yeah, no lift. Former Armenian, now Bahraini, Gour Minasyan going for 240. This will take his total to 452. Staggering number. Look at the number of plates on the bar and he gets it. The earth is shaking when you put down the down. Song Yong-hwan of South Korea or DPR Korea going for 241 to take lead in clean and jerk. Oof, felt a little heavy. Let's see. Man, that's why I love this category. Look at the bend on the bar. And he has got this one. I absolutely love this category. Gour Minasyan going for 245 in his second attempt of men's clean and jerk. 110 plus category. Oof. That is a tough clean and it's a great jerk. What a great performance. Ali Reza Yusufi going for 248 kgs. This to take gold in clean and jerk. Looking at the clock, there's enough time. Oh, look at the clean, man. And the jerk is equally good. And the chicks. Ali Reza Yusufi going for 261 kgs, which is and will be world record if he gets it in clean and jerk. Although he will have to settle for total silver only. Here he goes. Oh no, heavy. Here is Ali Reza Yusufi going for 261 kg on his third and final attempt. The world record beckons. Get up! He gets up. Come on! That last lift of the world champion, Asian Championship is a world record! The last lift of the Asian Championship 2026 is a world record courtesy of Ali Reza Yusufi. So, that's it?
Yeah.
कितने world records थे?
It's done.
I have lost the count of world records we saw during the course of
5 days non-stop action.
and a fitting end by Yusufi.
Yeah, and last lift was a world record in 110 plus weight category.
The open weight category,
and
right?
then a message for his fans back home and people back home after winning the gold. So that makes that finishes the Asian Weightlifting Championship in
Yeah.
Gandhinagar, Gujarat. This championship saw some of the best performances from North Korea and
Yeah.
China. China finishes on top
Yeah.
with
बिल्कुल,
14 total medals, 7 golds,
Four silver.
4 silver, 3 bronze.
Yeah.
North Korea was second, no bronze, 7 golds
Gold and three silver.
silvers, and then
बिल्कुल 19-20 का फर्क है।
third was
Bahrain, I think.
Bahrain.
Yeah, and then Chinese Taipei.
Chinese Taipei and then Iran.
Only 4 countries got gold
5.
actually.
Bahrain doesn't. Okay. Bahrain, Chinese Taipei, and
China, Iran. No, that is clean and jerk, no?
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, I'm talking about the
Total,
big medals.
total,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
So only 4.
Only 4 countries got gold, and India finished with 4 bronzes.
4
right?
bronzes. Yes.
One was for Komal Kohar.
Komal Kohar in 48
kg. Gyaneshwari did brilliantly well. 53.
Ajit Narayan
In men's 71, right?
Yeah. men's 71.
And then we had Sanjana in women's 77.
77.
Yeah, so 4
And
bronze
I
medals
think
for India.
We finished total overall 8th.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have to check, but yeah, that's the
Status.
That's the,
और आज लवप्रीत का performance was very good. I
Yeah.
actually felt he was one of the very few lifters who actually bettered on their entry total from the start.
390 kg.
Yeah, he did 386.
386.
He missed on the 3 last attempt.
Yeah.
So yeah,
Yeah.
that would have taken his total. But yeah, a great performance by Lovepreet Singh, and he finished an apt 5th. जो मतलब कि किसी को भी डाउट नहीं होना चाहिए. And hopefully he's sent to the Asian Games based on the criteria. So or yeah, but unfortunately Martina bombed out today, and but
That was disappointing.
That was disappointing. Yeah, she didn't. She looked a little out of her place,
Yeah.
but in the clean and jerk she got her act together and did well. But yeah, overall for India, a decent, some decent performances. But yeah, one would have expected better because it was home championship, right? But yeah, never say never. We can expect for the new crop to come and build up on this. We have Sanjana, Parv, Bedavrat Barali, we have Martina, who are all 20 or below. So these are the guys whom we should be looking out for in the future as well, and many other lifters who are in this crop of lifters who want to achieve greater for India. So yeah, let's hope for that. And I think that is it from the coverage of Asian Weightlifting Championships. कैसा लगा बताना भाई, सबके सब बताना.
Weightlifting coverage is stopping, but there will be athletics
Yeah.
soon.
Now the next stop is
Ranchi
will be covering the
Ranchi, Jharkhand.
Yeah,
Birsa Munda Stadium, Athletic Stadium.
exactly. We'll be covering the Senior Federations Cup,
Yeah.
and that hopefully will be another great chapter in IRD Sports' coverage, live coverage of events. Yeah. So,
Relatively new history.
yeah. Okay. So I think we should wrap this one
Yes.
up. Okay. So like, share, subscribe, and
Bye.
Take care.
Sayonara.